In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decorate a page in Notion. If you want your Notion workspace to feel cleaner, more organized, and a little more personal, decorating your page is a great place to start. The nice thing is that you do not need any advanced design skills to do this. Notion gives you a few simple tools that can make a page look much more polished while also improving readability. To begin, open the Notion page you want to decorate. This is the page you will be customizing, so make sure you are on the correct one before you start making changes. It helps to quickly look over the page and think about how you want it to feel. For example, you may want it to look professional, cozy, minimal, or more creative. Having that in mind will make the next choices easier. At the top of the page, add a cover image. This is one of the fastest ways to give your page a visual identity. A cover image can set the tone for the whole page, whether you want something clean and simple or colorful and inspiring. Try choosing an image that matches the purpose of the page so everything feels consistent and intentional. Next, add a page icon or an emoji beside the page title. This small detail makes a bigger difference than many people expect. It helps the page stand out in your sidebar and can also make navigation easier when you have many pages in your workspace. Pick something that matches the topic or style of the page so it feels connected to the overall design. After that, use dividers to separate sections. Dividers are especially useful when a page starts to contain multiple ideas, categories, or blocks of information. They create visual breaks, which makes the content easier to scan and less overwhelming to read. Use them thoughtfully so the page feels organized without looking too busy. Then add call-out blocks for important notes or reminders. Callouts are perfect for highlighting anything you do not want to overlook, like key instructions, deadlines, or helpful tips. They naturally draw attention, so they can guide the viewer's eye to the most important parts of the page. Just make sure to reserve them for information that truly needs emphasis. Finally, arrange content into columns for a cleaner design. Columns can make your layout feel more balanced and structured, especially if you are displaying related information side by side. This works well for dashboards, planning pages, or any setup where you want to compare sections quickly. With just these changes, your Notion page can look much more attractive, organized, and functional.